On this tutorial, we're going to show you the Gooseman Game Call Custom Crow Call, also made of cocobolo. As we know, this is the stuff to make good game calls out of. The cocobolo, they call it a musical wood. It's what they make flutes and piccolos out of. They do that for a reason, and it works the same way for a game call. It gives you the good, crisp sounds and a nice mellow tones underneath it. Running the crow call, we're going to anchor our teeth in these grooves. For a call to arms, it's sharp blasts of air. I'm biting a little harder for that, and that goes something like this. So my hand is used as a like a flap on an old school carburetor. I'm going to blast that sound out there. Got mid-range sounds. I come down with the voice a little bit. Something like this. Notice the difference. I can get lower. That gives me a complete range of crow sounds, top to bottom. Thank you.